Today we will do an introductory class about women's writing. What is women's writing? Women's writing is a discrete area of literary studies where the experience of women historically is shaped by their gender. This is not a question about the subject matter or the political stand of the writer, but this is about the position of women. This is about her gender, about her position as a woman in the society. Women's writing has been developing from 1970s and it is a distinct category, and it shows how though women are diverse in the matters of their views and their attitudes, still they all come under the same roof because they are women by gender, and based on that they are together, they come under one platform. Let us discuss, when we discuss about women's writing, it's also important to discuss about feminism. And feminism, what the feminist mainly dwells with, or what the feminist mainly demands, is that all the genders should have equal rights and opportunities. Female as a gender, they should have equal rights and opportunities same as men. It is about respecting their diverse women's experiences, identities, knowledge and strengths, and striving to empower all women to realize and fulfill their dreams. It is about making sure that diverse women and girls, all of them, they have got equal rights and opportunities in their life. We shall discuss now the characteristics of feminism. Feminism is not about female superiority. Feminism is about working towards for equality. Feminism advocates social, political, emotional, and intellectual equality for both women and men. Feminism is described in a political perspective rather than just as sex or gender. Let us see how feminist critics are. Feminist critics revalued the political, social, geographical, and historical context within the literary field, within the literature which exists in literature, and they have revalued it. Whether the critic, who the critic is, who the reader is, who the writer is, all this depends upon, all this influences how a particular work is read and what is meant out of it. A critic always focuses on how a particular literary text will influence the reader, and the critic would focus on the gender, race, nationality, social status of both, not only just the writer, even of the critic, and also of the reader, and even of the characters that are there in the text. The key subjects is like the way how a work is shaped by the cultural context, and the same way how a work can influence the cultural aspects also at the same time. We shall discuss the three waves of feminism. First wave of feminism occurs in 19th and early 20th century, which mainly concerned with the women's right to vote. And second wave at the height of 1960s and 70s and refers to the women's liberation and regarding the legal and social rights of women. And the third wave deals with in the beginning of 1990s, and it refers to a continuation of the second wave feminism. And the second wave feminism was mostly dealing with the middle class women, but in the third wave of feminism, even the women from all around international basis it is being done, and women who lives even in third world countries are also being dealt with. And the race, ethnicity, class, religion, gender, nationality of all the women across the entire world is being studied. I hope you understood this small introduction to women's writing. Thank you.